excited today to be here for the 30th edition of Onslow County Close-Up, which is an opportunity for students from all of our high schools and Lejeune High School to join us for a day of learning about how local government works. So today we've got a great program scheduled. We're going to begin the day with an education session. We have our superintendent, Dr. Barry Collins, and Mr. Ryan Smith from Camp Lejeune schools here to talk about their school systems. After that, we're going to get an overview of county government, and students will participate in a mock commissioners meeting. We have our district attorney, Mr. Ernie Lee, who is going to be coming after that to talk about his role in local government, what he does as the district attorney. We'll have a luncheon today with representative joining us for a question and answer session from the students. And then we'll finish out the day out of the Albert Ellis Airport with presentations from the Airport Fire and Rescue, the Onslow County Sheriff's Office, and the students will get an opportunity to take a tour around the terminal out at Albert Ellis. We just really are grateful for this opportunity for our kids to get a close-up look at what goes on with local county government.
At this time, I will ask the county manager to present the item on today's agenda.
There have been several requests from the community to provide a safe space for youth to receive access to mental health services that are affordable and designated for those not considered legal adults. Staff requests that the Board of Commissioners consider approving one of the proposed capital fund projects for $6.5 million, a youth crisis center or an indoor recreation center.
Build an indoor recreation center for our children, and I bet your bottom dollar you will not see no more gosh dang drugs in our parking lots. God bless. Thank you.
A rec center provides them a place where they can be with like-minded individuals and people of their own age and provide a sense of unity and just, honestly, companionship, which is something I feel is more needed in today's society with all the technology that's just building up walls and the bullying that's going on online. Face-to-face communication is key, and so I feel we should go for the recreational center.
I have a motion and a second. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Aye.
Aye.
I've been doing these close-up programs for many, many years. It's one of my favorite things to do. I love going out and speaking to students, and I just think it's really a great thing that Onslow does. My other counties don't do this, so this is one of those great things we have here in Onslow. Look, as district attorney, my job is to prosecute cases. So I represent the state of North Carolina when there's a criminal case, all the way from a minor traffic violation to first-degree murder.
When I went to Jacksonville, then everything you have at the skill center almost was at Jacksonville High School. But now we have a special skill center here that teach some things that you can't get at your local high schools. So each school is different, but you do have an opportunity to appeal to go somewhere else if you have something there you want to take.